Let's start this episode off. I received a package from Uchol over at Woods Creek Workshop. Totally unexpected and very much appreciated. Check out his YouTube channel. So let's open the box and see what he sent. He sent me an email saying it was coming, but didn't say what was in it. Oh, good warning. I probably would have used a razor blade if you hadn't warned me. Oh, I think I know what this is, having watched one of his most recent videos. That's amazing. I think I know what this is. Yeah, you need to check out his video on Kurt Weiss cover. Oh, yes. After I watched this video, I was thinking the solution I've been using all this time, nowhere near as good, and I was going to copy Kim's solution. Looks like he decided that my solution wasn't as good either. And he'd be right. Alrighty. Yeah, Kim uses the finest Corinthian leather, or pleather as the case may be, or it might be from the Naga beast. They're even rarer and harder to come across. So this guy goes under here, like so. 2 screws to the back of the Kurt Weiss, and a magnet to keep the slack in check. So let's hop over the curtain, pop this guy on, see how well it works. Alrighty, here's what I used to use, which was some of that printable magnetic material for make refrigerator magnets, and it wouldn't sit very flat and it would retain puckers and generally didn't work altogether very well. Here I have installed Uchol's solution, which is much nicer, and it's floppy enough that you can, even if it's hitting the material, you can easily spin the vise in and out. But if that bothers you, you can trim it down to length, and you can pop his magnetic piece on here, and then it will cause all the material to pucker in between and you'll be fine. Or in the case of what I'd probably like to do is let it stretch out and then throw the magnet on after, and that'll hold it down so that I don't get any chips underneath it. Pretty darn nice. The 2 screws here I had multiple uses for. I also used to take some of this plexi down here, and as a chip guard I would just let them sit on the 1/2-inch bolts with some washers. I won't be doing that anymore, but I think I can work another solution out for that, and that never worked particularly well anyway. So built into this piece, I think we're going to need to get some kind of chip guard solution for the future going forward. But I really like it. The solution Uchol gave is a lot better than my old one. This is going right in the garbage. And I just want to say thanks, Uchol. I really appreciate the gift. It's a really nice tool that I will use all the time. And, you know, if ever this gets worn out, you can just replace the fabric. All the hard part was done in the machining, and that was done for me. So again, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Before I go, one last thing that I thought was kind of interesting that just ran across today, so I'll just throw it in as an as mention. If you're tired of tie wraps like this, using them outside and having them break, even the black ones that are more UV resistant, also break down over time. Stainless steel tie wraps, pretty darn handy. And the way they work is they have a little ball bearing in here that slides down and locks the stainless steel in place. If you ever need to release one and don't want to cut it, you can take the tip of another one, put it backwards in here, in that side and push the ball bearing forward and release the tie wrap. So pretty handy. Just ran across these. If you haven't seen them, you may find them useful. Thanks for watching. Hope you find it useful. Hope to see you next time.